Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Snarin Bait. In today's video we're going to be going back on the kayak right along the creek where I did my last video. We're going to be targeting bass and maybe some white bass as we go along. There'll probably be some branches. This river's pretty low, so I was going to work along where those branches were and kind of along the banks and hopefully get onto something. I'll show you what I've got rigged up here. Alright guys, what I got rigged up is basically just this little jig here. I used this in my other video and it worked pretty good to just work along where all the other branches were in the water. And I've also got kind of like a grub with a jig head to kind of work for the white bass. So without further ado, let's get onto the river and let's see if we can go catch something.